it's Melissa with eXp Realty. We're out here just taking a quick look at 18414 North Mica Drive in Sun City West. A little patio area. I do want to point out the windows are newer. In this unit, you've got it being sold fully furnished. There is a coat closet right here at the entry. The floors and the kitchen were renovated. The roof was redone this year. That is part of the HOA. Here you've got a skylight, so that's all natural light. This is the primary bedroom with a walk-in closet. Bathroom. There was 187 square feet added to this one by enclosing the patio, and they ducted it so it's heated and cooled. You've got a nice small enclosed yard here. Not a lot of options in Sun City West have fences, so kind of a nice feature there. So here you've got another skylight in the living/dining area for some natural light. Kitchen, the cabinets were refaced, so new doors, and the granite was added. We've got a tap, touch sensor faucet, reverse osmosis. This is a newer stove. It has a tap feature to turn on the light and turn it back off. You have a pantry here, a newer fridge than what was here previously. And then your laundry is right here. Also an updated hot water heater. You've got some cabinets here in this 1.5 car garage, so there is plenty of room in here for a car plus a golf cart. The current owner did not ever have a golf cart, so I don't know with the cabinets how much space that will take up or leave for that, but it is something that the neighbors, several neighbors, have both a golf cart and a car in their garage. Here is the backyard. And then it is an alleyway, so your garage opens up to the shared space. And because it's Sun City West, you've got your in-ground trash can right there, so you never have to wheel a trash can back and forth. Again, just remember this is being sold fully furnished with an additional 187 square feet of livable space, heated and cooled there in the patio room. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.